Hey y'all, today I'm sharing with y'all my updated TWA routine since it has been a while since my last one. So I'm first starting off with co-washed hair that's slightly been air dried. So I'm just taking my spray bottle to give it some more moisture. I'm then going to go in with some Jamaican castor oil and applying that to my scalp and throughout my hair. Y'all know how 4C hair is, so I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is as moisturized as possible. But for all my type 4 naturals, leave me a comment down below for what you guys use to keep your hair moisturized, because your girl needs some new options, okay? But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and comb that through. And then next I'm taking my favorite leave-in conditioner at the moment, which is by Meow Organics. You guys have seen this plenty of times. This is their pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and I'm taking my spray bottle once again just to keep my hair moisturized. This is super important during this process. But next I'm taking my good old Eco Styler gel. This right here is the key to make them curls pop, sis. So I'm just taking a really good amount of that and applying that to my hair, and then once again combing that out. So after that's all combed out, I am taking my twist sponge, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair in a circular motion. I like to use a flat side. This makes my curls really defined. And it was at this moment that I realized that I forgot my side part. So I'm just taking this rat tail. So this is a new hack that I recently started doing, but in order to secure my side part, since I actually don't have my hair parted, like cut into a part, I'm just adding some bobby pins to keep that in place. And then I'm just going to continue brushing my hair with my twist sponge. Next, I'm just taking a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to define some of the hair that kind of got clumped up more than it should have. And I'm just separating that and doing some finger coils. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take some water, and then I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot gel, and I'm going to apply that to my edges and lay them bad boys down. Now, I don't do this all the time, only when I'm feeling fancy, but any other day, child, these edges are untamed, unbothered, and doing their own thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie my edges up with my scarf and leave that on for about 10 minutes. And next I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry my hair. Depending on the day, I use a blow dryer. Sometimes I let it air dry. It all depends. But next, this is just another one of my hacks. Your girl got tips and tricks, I'm telling y'all. But I'm just taking this black eyeliner and filling in some of those sparse areas of my edges. My edges are not the thickest, but that doesn't mean we can't finesse, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my edges just a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out those bobby pins because your girl will forget. I'm just going to take my brush everything down, make sure everything's tapered. Your girl feeling herself, okay? But wait, your girl almost forgot the earrings. The earrings are crucial for me. My earrings of choice are my 288s from Walmart. Y'all know the deal. But that is it, y'all. This is my really quick and easy routine. It takes me all of 10 minutes to complete this, and it lasts me about 2 to 3 days after refreshing. So if you want to see more natural hair videos, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.